Hey everyone, welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. Well, the weather is cooperating today, so we're going to go ahead and get back on the 63 and get those corner patches put on the cab. And I'm going to be trying to use a different camera to see, hopefully maybe my content looks better. Excuse me. But yeah, this is the first time I'm going to ever do this, and let's see, I know my welding skills ain't worth a crap, but you know what, let's get it done. Alright, so let me go ahead and get us all situated and we'll get back to you. Alright, thanks. Okay, whew, I'm getting too old for this shit. Alright. Go ahead and clean it up a little bit more. Now, it's not a perfect fit, and my cutting was kind of horrible, you know, but you know what, we're gonna make it fit. Why not? Now I just gotta poke some holes in here, and then we'll kind of tack weld it, see what happens. Everything else seems to fit okay. Alright, a little bit of hammer and dolly and we can make it work. Oh yeah, we'll make it work. Hell yeah. Alright, let's see what I can get. Anyways, let's just go ahead and put it up there and tack it on there. See what happens. All right. Let's get that in there. Let's get the helmet on. Let's get my little cheap Harbor Freight welder tacked on. See what happens. Okay. Alright. Let's just go ahead and tack weld this in here. Oh, where's my gloves at? Yeah. I'm getting tired of being burnt, so might as well be safe. Whew. Damn, I can't see a thing. That just tells you how long it's been since I've used this. All dusty and stuff from all the Bondo sanding and stuff off the other body parts. I guess I could do a little bit better over here. Maybe I should have took welding classes in school, you know, but oh well, coulda, shoulda, woulda. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and once I get it all cleaned up, looking good, we'll go ahead and get back with you and let you see what I did. Alright, so like I said, let me go ahead and clean this up and finish what I was doing, and I'll get back to you. So this is as far as I got today. Yeah, this old man, he's beat. You don't have that 20-year-old body where I could stay up all night and work on this, and plus it's getting dark and losing my sunlight and stuff, and I just need to let my body rest. Because let me tell you, when you become 60 years old, you're trying to do this, it ain't gonna happen. So like I said, that's what I got done for today. Alright guys, so that's all I got for you today. Hopefully I can get some good footage out of this, because there's a couple times where I forgot to turn the camera on. Go figure. You know, I was so concentrated on trying to do what I got to do. But you know, give me some constructive criticism in the comments or something. Let me know how I'm doing everything. Like I said, this is my first time ever doing something like this. I don't know how to weld, so I'm just winging it, you know. And plus it's not the greatest welder in the world, so it's just the cheapest Harbor Freight job, but it's what I could get. But it's on there. Hey, that cab corner's on there, and I went ahead and I already got the kitty hair on it. Well, it's not the actual kitty hair, it's the Bondo hair. It's this stuff here. Okay, that's what I'm using, because I tried to get actual kitty hair, but they wouldn't deliver to California. Go figure. Anyways, you know, I'm gonna go see, I'm gonna try to get what I can salvage out of this video. Maybe put something together so you guys can see, and give you something to look at. And like I said, you know, let me know what you guys think, you know, for a first timer, you know. And I'm gonna go get cleaned up and stuff. And until next time, hey, God bless.